Well, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Jenny, and we are back at Dollar General, and we're back with a glitch, and you know you want to know. So like and share the video on your way in. Share it to your Facebook newsfeed. Everybody needs what we're going to tell you about. Yes. It's real simple. A couple of clicks helps the channel out. Truly appreciate and love you bunches for it. Allow the video to play all the way to the end, please, including the ads. It's also super important for the channel and for helping us help other folks. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. That way you won't miss out of any of our daily deals, because we have deals every day, sometimes twice a day. And of course, leave me a comment. That's super duper important, and I really love you guys for doing all those things for me. Okay, we're going to start off our store field trip in the food department, because as I said, kind of a new format. We're going to show you a food deal with every video or store tour. Okay, so this is your deal for the day, or one of the deals for the day, in case you got two. Buy any two non-seasoning Taco Bell items and you get Taco Bell seasoning for free. You've got the Chipotle creamy sauce. This is good stuff, guys. $2.25, and you get a Taco Bell seasoning mix for free. Taco Bell sauce, $2, and you get the seasoning mix for free. You've got Paste Picante sauce, 2 for $5. Okay. El Paso, we have earns on that as well, and we have earns on the Herdez salsa products. So if you're doing Mexican, I think you're going to want to do Mexican, you've got all kinds of deals right here that you can do. And we even have new Taco Bell Crunchy Taco Kits for $3.25. So you could buy one of those and a Taco Bell sauce to go with it, and then you're going to get some taco seasoning. And of course you can use that for whatever you would like to use it for. Now, I was just browsing and looking, and we've got some new items over here, guys. We've got some French dip au jus mix for $1.35. This is really good. Dip in a roast beef sandwich in it, or mix this into your hamburger product. So if you're making hamburger, mix this in with that. It's delicious. It's a great seasoning mix for $1.35. Now, winter stock up products, okay? It's time to stock the cupboards up, you know, because we never know what the weather's going to be like. We've got these little tuna things that are normally $1.65. They're on sale 3 for $3. So all different. You got Ranch Tuna Creations is what they are, and they're the Star Kissed. Okay, they are the name brand, and you're getting them for $1 a piece. That's the one with just plain tuna, and of course that one's almost gone. Deli style tuna salad, already made. Not quite sure what's in it. Let's see. 3 for $3. Not a bad deal. We also have the Hormel chili in the cans with beans now. With beans on sale for 3 for $6. And the no beans, 3 for $6. That's a deal, because they're only $3.15 a piece. So Hormel products, what all we have? The pizza toppings, chili and ham, tamales, all 3 for $6. Alright guys, we're headed over to where our glitch is at. Yes, I promised you a glitch, so let's go look to see where our glitch is at. Oh, look guys, we have frozen pepperoni over here now. Or refrigerated pepperoni, should I say. Little bag full for $2.25. Pretty decent deal, guys. Okay, let's find our glitch. You see these Coke products? All of these Coke products. There's a $2 off when you purchase 2. We still have that $2 off with the taquitos, okay, in play, because I used it last night. And the 40-cent earns up to 5. And all are applying to these Coke products. So that is your glitch deal, guys. And as you can see, certain of these Coke products are almost already gone. I only see 3 of the Diet Coke products. And the sale has actually just started. So you might want to run, if you're doing Coke products, down to the store now. If you've got both of those coupons, you will be paying $12 for 3 12-packs out of pocket, and then you will get 40 cents back in earns, which isn't much, for 1 of them. Now, if you do this deal on Saturday and you do 6 of these, okay, you will end up with $9 off plus 80, 110, $1.50 off extra. So, okay, I'm gonna hop in here with this only because it bodes some explaining a little bit better. You're going to pick up 6 of these, okay? That's a value of $52.50. Holy moly. A half of $100 in soda. That's just mind-boggling. But it's going to be $28, okay? That in itself is just phenomenal. But like I said, it gets better. We're going to get our $4 off. Okay, any day of the week. Any day of the week, you're going to be at $28, okay? And then you're going to earn $1.60 back. So if you used to do that deal today, tomorrow, or up until Friday, you're looking at $26.40 before taxes on 6 of these Coke products. However, if you manage to make it all the way till Saturday and still have product in your store, then you can save an additional $5. And after everything is said and done, it will be $21.40 for 6 of these Coke products. It can be Sprite, Fanta, or Coke Zero, or Diet Coke. You have 40-cent earns on all of those. And as you can see, these are the deals that applied, along with the offers and the earned. Okay? So, get your shoes on and go do this deal, or at least go check out the supply at your store and make sure that it's going to be there for you for Saturday. That's your glitch. Okay. Alright guys, that was actually all for today on this video. And I will see you again on the next video, because we got some more deals that we've got to talk about. Lessons.